Hello guys, I am back with another interesting video. Today I gonna show you how to fix black screen or unsupported files error while editing on Camtasia Studio. Okay guys, let's start. Okay, this is the video I gonna edit on Camtasia Studio. First of all, let's check this video playing or not in VLC Media Player. Okay, you can see this video is playing perfectly on VLC Media Player. Okay, now going to edit this video in Camtasia Studio. Open the Camtasia. Okay, now insert that video. Let's try to edit. As you can see, video is not playing and I can't edit anything. It's having this black screen. That means the video is not supported on Camtasia Studio. Okay, for fix this black screen error, we have to download a tool. Open the link from the description. Okay, now simply click on unsupported file formats. Here in the last line, you will get Handbrake software download link. Simply click on it. It will redirect to download page. Okay, now click the red download button for download Handbrake. Within few seconds, download will start. It's about 13 MB. Okay, after successfully download, simply install the Handbrake software. Alright, now open the Handbrake software. Okay, you will get this type of interface. Now insert or drop that video. Okay, in the summary tab, tick on web optimize and untick this align AB start. Then browse and save the file. Here change the file format M4B into MP4 and save it. Then click here start encode. It will encode the file and it will take few minutes depend on your file size. Okay, after successfully complete, let's try to edit this video on Camtasia Studio. Okay, now insert the encoded file. Alright, now you can see it's playing and I can edit this video. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.